Om Bharata Gauravaya Namaha.
Bharata Gaurava. One who is the pride. One who is the pride of Bharat. Or one who is the glory of Bharat. One who is the glory of Bharat means India's glory, Bharat's glory. Also, he added glory to Bharat. One who is the glory of Bharat and one who adds glory to Bharat is called Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. In India, people told him, Swamiji, why are you going to America and other foreign countries? Why are you going unnecessarily? What did he say? He said, the best is export quality. Isn't it? The best is export quality. In India, there are some stores. You go inside, they say, sir, this is export quality, sir. Oh, the person living in India, oh, so, they. Give me, pack. Why? Export quality will be good. So the best is export quality. That's why he went all over. Because see, he had the feeling for Indians wherever they are. Because he did not want the Bharatiyas to lose touch with the Bharatiya culture. Bharatiya culture is Sanatana Dharma, the eternal culture. So he lighted, wherever he went, he lit the light of eternal Sanatana Dharma, that culture, those values he lit there, that knowledge. That's the glory of Gurudev. And he always converted. Whom did he convert? He converted Hindus to Hinduism. Because Hindus themselves did not know what is Hinduism. What a tragedy. So he rejuvenated Hindus to Hinduism. Ask a Hindu, who is a Hindu? Hindu means, Swamiji, not a Christian, not a Muslim, not a Jew, not a Parsi, not. I don't know. But who is a Hindu? I told you, not a Christian, not a Jew, not a... Maybe like Vedantic, neti. What is that reality? Not the body, not the mind, not the intellect. But what is that? I don't know. Maybe that's how they define Hinduism. So, who is a Hindu? Just now I said, not a Muslim. No, who is a Hindu? Hindu is ever ready to fight. One, don't say ever ready to fight. And next line you put against and all. Put in one line, ever ready to fight against. Then next line you go. If not, people will say ever ready to fight and they take only that one line. Put in one line, ever ready to fight against. Against what? Hindus. That's what they are doing nowadays. Ever ready to fight against all low, vicious tendencies and false, pompous values. The false values. Ever ready to fight against. First within, then without. Within, he is a Hindu. He made us proud to be a Hindu. I am proud to be a Hindu. Who said? I am proud to be a Hindu. Who said? If you did not know, at least you could have, Swamiji, you said just now. You can say that, isn't it? So we had, the moment we saw him, we all said, Hamara Swami, Mera Swami, my Guru. How we felt proud, my Guru. Proud to be his disciple. That pride he generated. Bharata Gaurava. So, people asked Gurudev also, why so many saints are from India? Population of saints, population of prophets. Why? Why only from India all many, many saints? Do you know why? Okay, do you know why all gold medals, or what do you call the Olympic medals, are outside India? Why all Olympic medals outside India? Do you know that? You don't know that also. Why all Olympic medals outside India? Why? Conducive atmosphere, isn't it? Therefore, that they create they facilitate so much, so that all medals, Olympic medals, outside India. In India, why many saints? Conducive atmosphere. That is why all saints. And so conducive. So many saints from Kerala itself. From Shankara to Chinmaya. One lady told, Swamiji, I know you are from Karela. I know you are from Karela. Swamiji, no, not Karela, Kerala. Isn't it? So, glory of India. So, he's a Bharata Gauravaya Namaha.
Om Bharata Gauravaya Namaha.